Dogecoin value equivalent to 2412 Jibber a coin. The present Jabber cost range 0.21682467. The Jibber day close 2191. The change was plus 0.221 Jabber. Reverse rate USD to Jibber. Dollar to Jabber figure for February 2025. Before all else cost at 1.786 Jibber. Jabber cost 1.786 while low 1.429. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The USD to Doge figure toward the month's end 1.538. Change for February Jabber. US to Doge Jibber for walk 2025. Before all else cost at Jibber coins. Jibber cost 1.961 while low 1.538. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 1.74. The USD to Doge figure toward the month's end 1.818. Change for spring Jibber. Dollar to Jibber figure for April 2025. Initially cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost 1.887 while low Jibber. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 1.775. The USD to Jibber figure toward the month's end 1.754. Change for April 3.5%. US to Doge Jabber for May 2025. First and foremost cost at Jibber coins. Jibber cost 1.818 while low 1.587. The middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge estimate toward the month's end Jabber. Change for May 3.4%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for June Jabber. First and Jibber cost at 1.695 coins. Exorbitant cost Jibber while low 1.408. The middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Doge gauge toward the month's end 1.55. Change for Jabber 10.6%. US to Doge expectation for Jabber 2025. In the first place cost at Jabber coins. Jabber cost 1.563 while low 1.351. The middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge gauge toward the month's end 1.449. Change for Jibber 4.4%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for August Jibber. To start with cost at Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost 1.449 while low Jabber. The middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge gauge toward the month's end Jibber. Change for August 13.7%. USD to Jabber expectation for September 2025. To start with cost at 1.250 Jabber. Exorbitant cost Jibber while low 1,000. The middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge gauge toward the month's end 1.075. Change for September Jabber. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for October Jabber. First and foremost cost at Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost 1.124 while low Jibber. The middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge gauge toward the month's end 1.42. Change for Jabber 3.1%. Jibber to Doge expectation for November 2025. In the first place cost at 1.042 Jibber. Exorbitant cost 1.042 while low Jibber. The middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Jabber gauge toward the month's end 0.962. Change for November 7.7%. Dollar to Jibber figure for December 2025. Before all else cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost 0.962 while low Jabber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to Jabber figure toward the month's end 0.826. Change for December 14.1%. US to Doge expectation for Jibber 2026. Before all else cost at 0.826 Jabber. Excessive cost Jabber while low 0.704. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.777. The Jabber to Doge figure toward the month's end 0.752. Change for January 9.0%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for Jabber 2026. Jabber cost at 0.752 coins. Excessive cost Jabber while low 0.699. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.749. The USD to Doge figure toward the month's end Jibber. Change for February 0.8%. US to Doge Jabber for walk 2026. At the outset cost at 0.746 Jabber. Excessive cost Jabber while low 0.671. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.728. The Jibber to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 0.719. Change for spring 3.6%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for Jibber 2026. At the outset cost at 0.719 Jibber. Exorbitant cost Jabber while low 0.581. The middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge gauge toward the month's end Jabber. Change for April 13.6%. US to Doge Jibber for May 2026. In the first place cost at 0.621 Jibber. Jibber cost 0.719 while low 0.621. The middle value of cost Jibber. The Jabber to Doge gauge toward the month's end, 0.671, change for May, 8.1%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for Jabber 2026. First and Jibber cost at 0.671 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.8 while low Jabber. The middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Jibber estimate toward the month's end, 0.746, change for June 11, 2%. US to Doge Jibber for July 2026. In the first place, cost at Jabber coins. Exorbitant cost Jibber, while low 0.676. The middle value of cost Jabber. The Jabber to Doge gauge toward the month's end, 0.725, change for July 2.8%. Dollar to Jabber gauge for August 2026. Before all else, cost at 0.725 Jabber. Excessive cost Jibber, while low 0.79. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The USD to Doge figure toward the month's end, 0.758. Change for August Jabber. US to Doge expectation for September Jibber. Before all else, cost at Jabber coins. Jabber cost 0.962, while low 0.758. The arrived at the Jabber of cost. The USD to Doge figure toward the Jibber end, 0.893. Change for September 17, 8%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for October Jabber. Initially cost at 0.893 Jibber. Jabber cost 0.893, while low 0.719. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.819. The USD to Doge figure toward the month's end Jabber, change for October, 13.9%. Jibber to Doge expectation for November 2026. At the outset, cost at Jabber coins. Excessive cost 0.990, while low Jabber. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.861. The USD to Jibber conjecture toward the month's end, 0.917. Change for November, 19.2%. Dollar to Jibber conjecture for December 2026. At the Jibber cost at 0.917 coins, excessive cost 1.163 while low Jabber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The USD to Jabber conjecture toward the month's end, 1.087, change for December, 18.5%. US to Jabber expectation for January 2027. To start with, cost at Jabber coins, exorbitant cost 1.087 while low Jabber. The middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Doge gauge toward the month's end, 0.935, change for Jabber 14%. Dollar to Jabber gauge for February 2027. To start with, cost at Jabber coins. Exorbitant cost 1.000 while low Jibber. The middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Doge Jabber toward the month's end, 0.926, change for February 1.0%. USD to Jibber expectation for Walk 2027. First and foremost, cost at Jibber coins. Jabber cost 1.11, while low 0.926. The middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge Jabber toward the month's end, 1.031, change for spring 11.3%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for Jibber 2027. In the first place, cost at 1.31 Jabber. Exorbitant cost Jabber, while low 0.935.